This is my gold dust croton growing in my garden in Thailand. This plant is about 2.5 years old and has had a good life. But now, for whatever reasons, it has started to die. All the leaves are turning yellow and falling off quickly. Look at all the bare stems. But it's not time to panic, it's time to make cuttings. I'm snipping off a few stem tips to grow as cuttings that I will place directly in water. I snipped off stem tip cuttings, and as you can see, they're about 6 or 7 inches long, about 15 centimeters long. I've pinched off all the bottom leaves, save for a few leaves at the top. And I've placed them in seasoning bottles, which is a great way to grow cuttings. And let me shamelessly plug my video about growing cuttings in these seasoning bottles, and you can check that out from the link in the description below. It's been 4 weeks and our gold dust stem tips already have some root growth. Let me show you. 2 out of 3 in this container have very nice roots. And 3 out of the 4 in this container are rooting too. It's been another week, and I think 5 of the 7 stem tip cuttings have enough roots to plant in starter containers. The roots are a bit delicate, so I will suspend the stem in the container and surround it with dirt. I'm using a mixture of about 2/3 potting soil and 1/3 local soil. Looking good! Here's our 5 new gold dust croton cuttings. I'm kind of excited. It's been another month, and all of our cuttings are doing great. I will keep them in starter containers for a while longer, and then plant them in my garden. Growing stem tip cuttings definitely worked well for me. I originally made this video about 3 years ago, but I decided to redo it because I wanted to show you what the plant looks like now. It's turned into this big, beautiful, eye-catching plant. If your croton turns leggy or you simply trim it, you can easily make stem tip cuttings in water. It's a great way to propagate new plants. Free plants. What more can you ask for? You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.